Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Fortnite Crash Reporter. Alright, I'm going to be giving you 3 solutions, or even 4. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, you got to open up Epic Games Launcher. Okay, you're going to want to click on yes if you run this one as administrator. Okay, so go ahead over to your library. Now just go ahead and find Fortnite. Right here, just click on 3 dots and then go ahead and click on Manage. And here, just basically find Verify. Click on it. Wait for the process to finish right here. And then after that, go ahead and check if it helps. Okay, go ahead and play Fortnite and check. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and close Epic Games. Close it right here on the taskbar as well. Click on Exit. Now, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down %local app data %. Again, %local app data %. So just click on it. And then in here, we're going to find Epic Games Launcher. Okay, double click on it. Go to Saved, double click. Here we have Web Cache and Logs. Just select both and just click on Delete. Now go ahead and go back. And then after that, go ahead and find your Epic Games Launcher. And this time, you're going to want to run this one as an administrator. Okay, click on Run it as administrator. Click on Yes. Again, as there will be a pop-up. Now, once that's done, go ahead and locate Fortnite, run it. Everything should work perfectly fine now. If that still won't work, go ahead and close the Epic Games Launcher again right here. Find antivirus. Okay, go ahead and click on virus and threat protection right here. And then we are going to find virus and threat protection. Okay, so click on manage. Scroll all the way down and find exclusions. Now it says here add or remove exclusions. So just click on it and click on yes, as that would be a pop-up. So go ahead and click on add an exclusion. Make it a folder. Now go ahead and find, so it is under this PC, local disk C, program files. Now Epic Games, okay? Double click on it. As you can see here, Fortnite is available. So you can just check it if you want to, but basically add in the whole Epic Games folder. Click on it, make sure that is highlighted. Click on select folder. It will be added right here. Now go ahead and close this one. Again, run Epic Games as an administrator. And after that, check if it helps. Okay. Now lastly here, for the 4th solution, go ahead and find your search bar and type down CMD. As you can see here, we have command prompt, run as administrator. Click on yes, as there will be a pop-up. Now go ahead and type down sfc /scan now. All right. Now just hit on enter. And just wait for the verification to complete. And then after this one, after it hits 100%, it's basically close the command prompt. Okay. And then after that, just go ahead and restart your computer. And once that's done, launch Fortnite and you should be good to go. And that is how you fix Fortnite Crash Reporter. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.